Okay guys, well, I'm showing you how I lay my material. We've had a pretty good day so far. We got a lot of material in. What I like to do is run all of my notches in one direction, okay? It's called directional spreading. And the reason that I like to do that is you get a better bond on your tile, okay? Now, when you're dealing with a Durock wall that may not be perfectly flat, sometimes you have to hand butter your material when you may have a belly or a valley in the wall, and we've got one right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab me a piece of tile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, it's always good to put a nice coat on the back of the tile. You're basically, it's called burning it in. And I try to figure out about how much I need to build out, and I'll have to add a little bit of extra to this. Okay. Okay. What I like to do, I like to butt those together first. Press them in. And the reason I like to butt those together is so I'll have a better idea of when it's perfectly flush, okay? All right, that's perfectly flush. A little bit at the top. All right, and then I pull it away, get the right size joint. I take my 3/16" spacers. Okay, they're hard spacers so they don't squeeze down when the weight gets on it. They make a lot of spacers that you really can't use. Then I take my sponge. I try to keep my tile as clean as I can as I go. The last thing you want to have is thin set that's right in the joint. It takes forever to get it out. And that looks nice right there. I usually check it too with a level. And we're plumb right there. I mean, it's nice. The bubble's right in the center. It's nice and flat. Looks good. So we're going to keep moving forward. We're going to try to have everything in except the top course because we're waiting on the ceiling tile to get here next week. So we're having a great day today.